Most workshops don't have a capacity problem. They have a revenue problem. In a traditional setup, you're repairing maybe 5, 6, if you push it, 8 wheels a day. That's it. Because everything happens one at a time. Let's say you charge just 100 euros per wheel. That's 600 euros per day. Now compare that to a wheel factory. Same operator, same working hours. But now you're processing 15, even 20 wheels per day. That's 1,500, up to 2,000 euros per day. Same time, same space. Blasting takes minutes. Cutting runs on its own. Painting is fully automated. Everything runs at the same time. And it doesn't require more staff. One operator manages the entire flow, no bottlenecks, no downtime. So the question isn't, can you repair wheels? The question is, how many can you process profitably? Because once you switch from repair to production, everything changes. More wheels, more revenue, more control. This isn't just equipment. This is a business model.